Microneedling is a technique to improve skin texture. Just like it sounds, microneedles are small oscillating needles that are used on the skin surface to create small channels in order to break up scar tissue. People who are good candidates for microneedling are people who have texture problems of their skin. It generally doesn't improve the coloration of the skin, but it will improve the texture. So for example, acne scarring, pitting scarring of your skin, these are difficult problems to treat. Besides using a laser, another technique is using the microneedles, which we do here in our office. The treatment takes about an hour. We do apply a topical anesthetic first. We numb your skin. Once the skin is numb, my nurse will use these disposable microneedles on the skin surface. Now, the one big advantage that microneedling has is that the recovery time is very quick. If a patient has microneedling on a Friday, they're generally fully recovered within about 48 hours. So by Sunday, their skin is back to normal. So a lot of patients are choosing this procedure because of the fast recovery. As opposed to using the laser, we also use the laser for texture problems. The recovery is more in line with a week or 2 weeks. So microneedling is a great option for somebody who has very little downtime and can't miss work and would like to get the treatments. One of the advantages to microneedling is that it is safe for all skin types. So for example, darker skin types, lighter skin types, any skin type is available for the microneedling. So the problems you get into with darker skin types is that you can get hyperpigmentation problems or hypopigmentation problems. We don't see that with the microneedling. It is more a problem that you would see with either deep chemical peels or laser skin resurfacing. So microneedling is ideal for all skin types, and we do see all skin types for this procedure. So there's a number of ways that the microneedling works. One of them is using oscillating needles that are on a small disposable head, and it's a handpiece that the nurse holds, and she actually uses this handpiece with the multiple needles on it, and it penetrates the skin to a certain depth. There is also another technique called radio frequency microneedling, where in addition to the needles going up and down, there's also heat that is added. So it is thought that adding heat to the microneedling process will help improve the texture more than just using the regular microneedles. So there are several different techniques out there. Mainly, these techniques are performed by nurse practitioners, nurses, and physician assistants. This is not something that the doctor has to be performing himself. So we'd like to see the patients back at 4 weeks to do a second treatment. And again, some of the problems that we see, like for example, acne scarring, these are very, very difficult problems to treat. Most patients require 4 to 6 treatments with microneedling. We might also perform a chemical peel in between. So on average, to see a significant difference in your skin improvement in texture, I'd recommend a minimum of 4 treatments with the microneedling. Like laser resurfacing, when you resurface the skin, it generally becomes a more permanent type of procedure because you're stimulating collagen below the skin surface, and as this collagen is stimulating, you forming more collagen is going to cause skin tightening. Now, the aging process is also the reverse of that, where we start to lose collagen. So we're playing against the aging process. So the microneedling is a permanent improvement. However, as you continue to age, that collagen formation will diminish, and you would benefit from more microneedling treatment. But it's unlike a superficial peel. There are some permanent aspects to the result, especially in terms of acne scarring. The benefits of microneedling are improved skin texture. So when there's irregularities in the skin surface, the microneedles will smooth them out, stimulate collagen formation, eliminate some fine lines and wrinkles, and cause a tightness to the skin, which gives a youthful appearance.